My Cardano fanboys and fangirls, I have neglected you guys for far too long. However, I believe it's time. It's time for the markets to shine again. Now, here's the thing. Earlier today, I was going over all my charts and I'm just like, wow, all of this looks, it's not looking too good. However, all this market needs is just one pick me up. Okay, and that's why, guys, you never jump the gun on exiting your trades. Look for your confirmations first before you exit trades in the middle of a bull market. Confirmations are everything. If you do not have confirmations on your current Cardano trade, you are messing up. Now, what was the pick me up here? Well, it was none other than Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the index of this market. Just a couple of minutes ago, Sean barges into my room. He's like, Bitcoin has closed its highest 12-hour candle through its entire history, and no one's talking about it. No one's talking about it. All right, so Bitcoin's looking good, and I believe Bitcoin right now is going to be the pick-me-up for Cardano and the rest of the altcoins as well. But not just that. We've been following a very, very simple system on Cardano, primarily hinged on the daily time frame, which was none other than the Mango dynamic indicator. You can see that ever since the trend started right here, guys, at 34 cents, we have been trending on that daily dynamic support. This is officially our first test of that daily dynamic support. That being said, if you guys have been following the Cardano trade setups with me, then you should have caught all of these following bids. We caught the 34-cent bid. As soon as Cardano started putting in its base, I came out of the nick of time with an analysis after a very, very long time. I said, hey, Cardano right now is not something you want to ignore. Okay, it's forming a base at 34 cents. If there's a trade setup right now, it's going to be right here at 34 cents. And I kid you not, a few days later, Cardano just started rallying. Now, if you did not catch bid number 1 with us, you probably caught bid number 2, where I said the next best bid opportunity is going to be at 58 cents. From 58 cents to where price is at right now, even after the drawdown, guys, you are still up 86%. You didn't catch bid number 2, you probably caught bid number 3. As soon as we broke this purple box territory right here at around 76 cents, if you caught that bid, then even after the drawdown, guys, you are up a good 40% on your trade. I want to drive in the significance of catching good bids when the trend begins, okay? You're sitting stress-free even after the pullbacks on Cardano. Now, what's going on here? Is this bearish? Guys, just zoom out. Cardano rallied a good 300% in a matter of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. Show me one asset class out there that's giving you 300% in gains in a matter of 5 weeks. You're not going to find any. This pullback is a healthy pullback. As long as it's holding critical levels, this is a healthy pullback and one that should be expected. In fact, when these uptrends get super volatile, you want to see something like this, like a snapback. All right, that helps the bulls build up momentum once again. This is healthy price action on the chart. But now question is, what is the critical level that it needs to hold? Now you need to understand that today is a Sunday. Happy Sunday to each and every one of you. But tomorrow we have a brand new weekly open. Now me personally, I want to see Cardano open over one particular level. And it's this right here, $1.03. The number is annotated on my screen. I have used my system. I've looked at the current volume on the chart, the momentum on the chart, and this is that critical target I want Cardano to open over on tomorrow's candle. In fact, I'll go as far as to say this entire region right here is going to be the next best bid on Cardano's chart, because not only is this a momentum based target, but this is also the daily dynamic support. This is our very first test of the daily dynamic support in line with our momentum based target right here. For those of you who want the numbers on the dynamic indicator, it comes in from around $1.07 going all the way down to 99 cents. This is going to be your bid zone. Managing bids off of this region is going to be super easy to manage, because just in case Cardano breaks the daily dynamic, you know you are invalidated on the trade. Get out of the trade and gun for a lower bid. Now, for those of you looking to take this trade on Cardano, but you're looking for a good exchange, then check out BitUnex. There's no KYC, there's no country restriction. So irrespective of where you are, you can actually put on your trades on there. And also, if you use the link in the description below, you can get up to 5.5K in bonuses. So you can use it for your trading fees, to beef up existing positions, or also to practice your leverage trading with. Now, this bid zone right here is not just the daily dynamic and the momentum-based target, but it's one more thing. If I zoom out of this chart on the weekly time frame, I want you guys to just follow the $1.03 line across history back into the previous bull run of 2021. What was that critical region of resistance that Cardano actually cleared out only to find support on there time and time and time again before it rallied to all-time high all the way up to $3.25? What was that region? It was $1.03 once again. Okay, that's where we're at, guys. That's where we're at. Managing a trade off of this region is going to be super duper easy to manage. Now, ADA on the dashboard to a complete trend reset, 12-hour and daily are both neutral. I'll be having my alert set in on the daily time frame. Let me go ahead and set an alert right here. Now, what this does is that as soon as the daily flips long, I'm going to be alerted via email. Okay, tell me, hey, Cardano's trend on the daily has flipped long. Now's the time to be looking at the chart because chances are the next move is likely on its way. And quite honestly, as soon as Cardano actually starts seeing some upticks right here on the lower time frames, we could be triggering a cascading pattern play. I am seeing a falling channel, the break of which will take it up to the neckline right here at around $1.17, which would then trigger a much larger Adam and Eve-like formation. And the measured move to this will take Cardano all the way up to $1.53, even past its previous local high right here. And can Cardano see continuation from here? Honestly, yes. If we get up to $1.53, I think the next major target that I'm seeing on the chart only comes in at around $1.67. So this right here could very well be the next target range for ADA. From where price is at right now to the bottom of that box, not even the top, the bottom, 40%. That's a good 40%. So ADA still has juice left in it. My only advice to you is try and capture good bids irrespective of which asset you're trading, because that's going to prevent you from having paper hands and dropping your bags prematurely. Now, before I sign out, for those of you in the Mango Sprouts program, I've dropped the first 2 lessons on pattern trading, and this is the most important pieces of the puzzle in terms of pattern trading. This is what's going to separate you from the other pattern traders. This is what's going to give you edge when you are identifying patterns on the chart and deciding on whether you should trade them or not. So if you're in the program, go ahead and check it out. You're gonna love it. Tomorrow we get into the patterns themselves, but this is going to set a lot of ground rules that's going to give you a lot of edge. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the likes. I will now see you in the Discord chat. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.